Hi, my name is Neslihan. I'm a local guide in Istanbul. Today, I will show you some of the best things in Istanbul. This is Blue Mosque, one of the most beautiful mosques of Istanbul. It is from 17th century and the original name of the mosque is Sultan Ahmet. It has really beautiful tiles inside that. That's why tourists call this Blue Mosque. This is Mimar Sinan. He was the most important architect of Ottoman era. We have some legends about him. He was really so smart, talented. He built thousands of buildings for Ottomans. But he was a little bit crazy. He fell in love with Sultan's daughter, Mihrimah Sultan. And for showing his love, he decided to build a mosque for her name. And he decided to build this in Üsküdar. He built a really nice mosque for the name of Mihrimah Sultan. And when she visited the mosque, she didn't like the mosque because he said, my name is Mihrimah and its meaning is moon and sun. I was expecting really so shiny, bright mosque. And he really disappointed about that and he decided to build another mosque for her name. This time he used really so bright stones and huge windows, and this girl also visited that mosque and he loved that building, that mosque, but unfortunately she said, sorry, I engaged with someone else, I cannot get married with you. Now we are in Jafera Medresesi. It's from 16th century and it was a school in that time. Now we are using this as a cafe. It's a really nice cafe for relaxing and grabbing a cup of tea. And this is our tea glasses in Turkey. It's a traditional glass. And if you want, you can also try salep in here, which is a traditional drink in Turkey. But tea is more popular, to be honest, because we are drinking like 3 glasses of tea in a day. Now we are in front of the main entrance of Grand Bazaar, which is from 15th century and it has 4,000 stores in it. And you will love it because you can find anything inside that. Every kind of traditional things you can find in here. Jewelry, carpet, kilings, traditional lamps, also the Turkish light. This is the best place for shopping. Turkish coffee, one of the most important drinks in Turkey. We love coffee. Every day, at least 2 times in a day, we are drinking coffee. After we finish coffee, we are closing the cup with the coffee plate and turning this upside down and waiting for it's getting cold a little bit. Then we are looking at our fortune. It's a really good, funny thing between the girls. But also, we have an important tradition for the wedding with the coffee. We have coffee ceremonies. So when the girl like their potential husbands, they are preparing the coffee with sugar. But if they don't like them, they are preparing the coffee with salt. Istanbul is the place for tasting street food. One of the most famous food is döner. You just see behind me, it looks yummy, isn't it? This is beef meat and you will love this and you can find this in every corner of Istanbul. You should try when you come here. So there you have it, some of the best things about Istanbul. My name is Neslihan and thanks for watching.